Okay. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Now in the
Morning,
yesterday's
ma'am.
yes, good morning. A very good morning to my children. In yesterday's class, that is not yesterday, day before yesterday. Okay, we had finished till inscriptions, isn't it? Now we will start.
Ma'am.
Yes, we will start with monuments. Now, what are these monuments? Can anybody tell me? In the last class also, I
Ma'am, old buildings. Old
yes,
buildings of
yes,
ma'am, the old buildings.
yes, old buildings.
Monuments
Correct.
are that old buildings like Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Golden Temple.
Yes,
Old buildings.
yeah, correct. So these
Qutub
are
Minar.
these are all monuments means to remind yes, to remind the people of some famous person or event. Now, like example, Taj Mahal. Someone told me about Taj Mahal, isn't it? Now, tell me why Taj Mahal was built in whose remembrance?
Mumtaz was built. Shah Jahan was built by Shah. Built a monument for his wife. For Mumtaz.
Yes, he had
For
built.
Mumtaz.
Yes, he had built that Taj Mahal for Mumtaz, isn't it? So that monument means it was the remembrance for Shah Jahan about Mumtaz, isn't it? To means there these monuments, what they give, this give us information, isn't it, about their social life, religious belief, and culture. Now there was a place called as Mohenjo-daro, like Harappan and other nearby sites. Now you can see a map over here. Can you see the map on the?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
I have shared. So what you can see?
No, ma'am.
Okay, wait 1
No,
minute.
ma'am.
Yes, yes, just a minute. Tell me
No,
what.
ma'am.
1 मिनट रुकोगे अभी मैं कुछ पूछ रही हूँ. You are not able to see the screen.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
I have presented you something.
No, ma'am.
I have presented you something, no children.
Ma'am, presentation is not.
Presentation is not coming.
No, ma'am.
Okay, wait. I'll just see. Okay. Now see. Are you able to see?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, it is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
अरे रुको तो. But I can't see this.
Ma'am, Mohammed just present.
You are able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
You are able to see now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, okay, हो गया ना? Now everybody mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. So now.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you see when you are able to see this? Can you see the rivers over here? Shall I make it a little bit big? Wait. Some rivers, if you can see the cursor, you can see the cursor where I am. ये cursor दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now see this.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Indus. Can you see this Indus?
Yes, ma'am.
What is
Yes,
Indus?
ma'am.
What is Indus? Can
Yes,
anybody?
ma'am.
What is Indus? Can anybody tell me?
Ma'am.
It is a river. Okay, Indus is a river. Okay, here near this Indus, see, you can see this. There were many sites. Okay, where civilization exists. Into the, you can see on your in your book also, page number 4. They have clearly given over there. Okay, so these are the rivers. In the last to last class also, as I told you, that people people uh, means morely they started living near the river banks. Why? Because I had told you. Can anybody tell me why they started living near the rivers? Why they like
And
to?
to get
हाँ बोलिए. Nobody. Yes. Yes, children, are you there?
yes, yes, ma'am. Yes,
Nobody.
ma'am.
Then why nobody is
Yes,
telling
ma'am.
me? So why these people wanted to live near the rivers? Why they like to live near the rivers?
Because of water. To get fish and water. To get water.
Yes, yes. So there was a
It's difficult to find the water.
yes. Now these there was a city called as Mohenjo-daro. Okay, there was a city Harappan civilization. In Harappan civilization, there was a city called means Mohenjo-daro. Now you must have seen the movie Mohenjo-daro. If not,
Yes,
please.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In
Yes,
that
ma'am.
city, whatever we are going to learn in this history, you will see into that movie. Okay. The movie is all about the city Mohenjo-daro. So there was a city called as Mohenjo-daro. In that, they built the city in such a way that today what we are living, the way we have the drainage system, that time also in the city of Mohenjo-daro, this drainage system was so accurate, and that is what we took that drainage system, how they build. In the same way today we means we just extract that things, those things in today's day to day life. So that time whatever the people did, okay, in that time the buildings, I'll just show you the buildings, how the buildings were in Mohenjo-daro. Number of buildings actually. Okay. So you can see on the page number 5, okay, the buildings. So now the buildings have been destroyed. Okay, means ruins. Means what you know? They have been damaged in such a bad thing that all the things have been scattered everywhere. Means we can't see it clearly, and that time the buildings were to ground floor and first floor also in those cities. Okay, and the interesting things were very means interesting things were there, like they used to do the farming, and then they used to keep those they used to store. So that time also they were having 4 types of compartment. One was kitchen, one room was there for the storage of the grains. Another floor was there where they used to use like a bedroom. One was hall. The same thing what we do in today's day to day life, that time also they had that type of houses in Mohenjo-daro. Okay, and uh, then what type of coins they used? Now I'll show you the coins which they used. Okay, can you see here the coins? Now, like today, how we have the coins, like 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 3 rupee coin. That time they had different types of
Ma'am,
metallic.
your voice is cutting.
Okay,
No.
I'll just take my other mic further, and please, children, you all mute yourself. Okay, so now then that time what used to happen, they had all metallic coins. Okay, not like us. So what they used to do, the coins were in different shape, like you can see the shapes on the screen, and there is a round shape also. Okay, that round shape was in Gupta period, where you can see it in your textbook page number 5. Okay, so they found many objects such as coins, tools, weapons, then pot. You can see a pot also on the screen. These type of pots the archaeologists found into the places of early man. Okay, then they were the remains of buildings, printings and sculptures were there. Then tools, weapons, pots, pans, ornaments, coins. These all things they found that time, and you can see the coins. They are not in a proper shape. Some are square, some are round, isn't it? So these type of coins that time uh, they had that time those type of coins. And it was how, the each dynasty had their own different types of coins. Now these dynasties you will be learning in the next lessons properly, now which type of coins, which type of dynasties took. Now the round shaped coin was of Gupta period. Okay, so these coins, what they did, they provided information about the kind of metal used in the periods. Now Harappan civilization had a different type of coin, and they had that coin in different material, means metal. So the means each dynasty, each of the 1 minute, who is joining now? We can't just see these people. Okay, okay. So these dynasty had their own coins, and they provided information about what kind of metal was used in their periods. Now there were articrafts. Articraft means, I told you one in the last class also. The crafts, what they did. Okay, they gave lot of information about the culture life of the people of the past. Now these people, what they used to do, they used to make these crafts, and they used to go into different dynasties, and they used to go there and sell out their products, means whatever they prepared, the art what they had, they went on into different types of cities that times, and they used to go and sell that things, and they used to come. So the art and its influence of Indian art. Next we'll come to the sources. Now I'll show you here. Now what about these manuscripts? Okay. Now, can you see on the script the scripts over there, like a like a long rectangle shape of books? Now, these books are called as manuscript. Now, what is this manuscript? Means this manuscript, how this name they got means, there is a Latin word called as manu. Manu means hand. Okay, so this all were written by hand. These scripts were written by hand, means handwritten record are called as manuscript. Now you can see that. Now this, they were written on the rocks, palm leaves, as I told you in the last class, bark of the birch tree, clay table, and later on the paper, like now how we write. Now we write even uh, uh, on the computers, isn't it? We have everything now, technology and all is more. So we do not keep like this can books and all. Okay, so they had written these manuscript on the bark of the trees, palm leaves, and all. So these manuscripts are usually written on the palm leaf. Okay, so they are called as manuscripts, specially prepared from the bark of the tree known as bridge, where it is grown. These bridge tree are grown in the Himalayas. Okay, then the other information means they had many sources. Okay, they don't did not write only handwritten. What they did is, I'll show you here again. See, if you have you seen the Kamal Basti in our Belgaum? How many of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has seen Kamal Basti. If you visit
Yes,
next
ma'am.
time, you see the temple how it is built. Then you see besides the temple there is these type of stones are there. You can see this type of stones, and there are some designs on that also. Okay, there are means writings means you can just when you see you can understand that ki that time the people what they did. So what these people used to do, they used to tend to tell us what they did in that time, in their times. Okay, if you go to that Kamal Basi, you just have a look properly. Okay, so these were a record of our history. Okay, now there were religious literature also. Now what is this religious? Now that time, what type of god did these people worshipped and all? So they were classified into the followings. As I tell you, Vedic. How many of them knows all the Vedas? Can anybody tell me how many Vedas are there?
And what?
How
Ma'am,
many?
I know. Rigveda,
How many
Yajurveda,
Vedas?
Samaveda, Yajurveda,
No, no. There are four
Yajurveda,
types of Vedas.
Atharvaveda.
Yes, there are four types of Vedas:
So,
Rig Veda, Sama Veda, Yajur Veda, and Atharva Veda. So these four Vedas,
Samaveda.
yes, these four Vedas, that time they wrote these Vedas, and there were two epics, that is Ramayana and Mahabharata, which is there in Bhagavad Gita and
Hello, ma'am.
Puranas. You must
Are
be
you able to
knowing
hear my voice?
about these, isn't it?
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am?
Now that time these were the religions where they these all kept into these all Vedas and all. But there were some, as you all know, that are means that are uh, our India was ruled by the foreigners, isn't it? Our India was ruled by the
I'm
foreigners.
seven.
What?
British.
Huh. Foreigners, that is the British, those people, isn't it? So, what these Britishers did, even they started writing. Okay, the Greeks, the Romans, Chinese, and all these also came, visited India from time to time, and left some valuable account about the peoples, their lifestyles, their customs and traditions also. So even they started writing. Okay, now what these used to do, they were there in the Chandragupta Maurya's court, and that time they wrote Indica. Now, what is this Indica? It is a book. Okay. So these wrote these type of books and all. When in the times of Britishers were there, these foreign travelers, these all came and even they started writing books. Now, in these books, what were there? These books content of guidelines on how to run a government. That time, when these people used to live, the older people, they were not having these type of government guidelines and all, means how to run a government. This slowly came when when it came, when these Chandragupta Maurya came and these all kings started coming, then they started having their own rules and regulation. Then slowly, we started with the governments and all. This you will be learning how government came and all in our political and social and political life when we will be doing that time. Okay, government, there is one lesson called as government. That time I will tell you how this government came into existence and all. Then we have even the oral history. Now what is this oral history? It is a source of which is being used by the historians. It refers to the historical records that are based on the personal experience and opinions of the speaker. means their personal experiences, like they must be any song, any folk dance. Now you must have seen many folk dances. Can anybody just name some of them? Any folk dances you can name?
Bhangra.
Huh? And there are many.
Bharatanatyam.
Yes, Bharatnatyam is there, and
Ma'am,
then which one?
Bihu.
See, so now you also know some of them. So these dances are coming from that time, means from the olden people, means our ancestors. Okay, so there is a particular thing, isn't it? What we do in Bharatnatyam, do we do it in Bhangra?
No, ma'am. No.
The songs.
No,
Now
ma'am.
let's
No,
come.
ma'am.
There
No,
are,
ma'am.
yes, there are some difference. Okay,
No,
and
ma'am.
you know, now if I tell you Bhangra, what comes into your mind when I say the word Bhangra? What comes into your mind?
Punjab.
Huh. Then you know the dressing style of them is totally different from the Bharatnatyam. When I say you Bharatnatyam, something else comes to your mind. So then there are song also. Now you must have seen. Please mute yourself, someone. There is a lot of disturbance, children. Now songs also are different. Like if I say you, Punjabi songs are different, isn't it? The Hindi, children. Who is this? म्यूट करो ना खुद को बच्चा, प्लीज. So what happens, you know, these are handed down from one generation to another, orally or by words of mouth, isn't it? Now Punjabi log jab tak the, means when they were they started these bangdas and all, then that generation continued to the next, then the next generation to the next generation. Now I'll give you one example, okay, a very good example. We everybody celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. सब लोग गणेश चतुर्थी सेलिब्रेट करते हो?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When you were small, listen to me now. When you were small, मतलब baby जब थे आप, छोटे से बच्चे थे, when you were baby, that time you knew this Ganesh Chaturthi. क्या करते हैं गणेश चतुर्थी, क्या कैसे
No,
सेलिब्रेट
ma'am.
करते? Who
No,
told
ma'am.
you?
No, ma'am.
Now who told you about this all things? Means how we have to welcome Ganesh, Lord
Ma'am, our
Ganesha,
parents.
your parents, isn't it? So that time only you came to know about this Ganesh Chaturthi. Then again you will be learning in the school also how to celebrate not only Ganesh Chaturthi, because this is just an example which I'm giving you. Not only Ganesh Chaturthi, but there are a number of festivals like Bakri Eid, Ramzan is there, then we will celebrate Independence Day. These are the national festivals, and religious festivals are different, isn't it? Isn't it? So we celebrate such a Pongal is there, Onam is there, Diwali is there, Holi is there. So we celebrate so many festivals. So we didn't know about these festivals when we were small. We got to know about these festivals by our parents, and from the school as we study these all festival, who celebrates, how to celebrate, and all, isn't it? So these are orally, means मैं आपको ये oral knowledge दे रही हूँ. From means I'm just telling you orally, like this we celebrate, ऐसे करते हैं. तो this is forwarded from the generation to generation. Now next generation means when you will get married and when you get your children, you will obviously tell your children about Ganesh Chaturthi, about all the festivals what we are going to when celebrate and all. So this is type of oral, isn't it? This is oral history what goes by your mouth and all, and it has been handed over from one generation to the another. Till here everybody is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, now we will
Yes,
see
ma'am.
the geographical locations. Okay, now there is one book of maps also with you, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I will just show you the mapping. What you have to do is, I'll come back
Ma'am,
to
at
this.
last.
Yes. No, no, no. They have given you one book.
Ma'am,
Now,
that only no. Ma'am, it is back of book.
yeah.
Textbook back.
हाँ हाँ no 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 not that child. एक अलग सा बुक दिया गया है आपको.
Ma'am, Atlas.
हाँ where you
Ma'am,
have,
Atlas. Ma'am, Atlas.
हाँ, where you have to mark these all.
Ma'am, which page number?
What page number? Now it is page number 7. कौन है ये? This, see this, who is this? कितना disturbance हो रहा है?
Ma'am, Nisha Chaudhary.
Don't do this kind of things, children.
Nisha Chaudhary.
Okay, now come back to
Page
the
number.
lesson. Look. जरा रुकोगे? Let me speak once. Wait. So what you need to do is you need to locate the main rivers of India. Now I have shown you in this map. See here, these rivers like river Indus, Yamuna, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada. These all rivers you need to locate on the map. So tomorrow when if we have class tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will show you how to locate. Okay, just I will see how the location, and we have finished with this lesson today. Okay, so next class I will be taking a globe, that is latitudes and longitudes I will be talking about. Okay, now these rivers you mark, we will discuss about these rivers also. Okay, as I told you, these Asian people used to choose to live near the rivers like Indus, Ganga, Narmada. So I'm showing you this. So in the next class I will tell you where you have to mark this on the books and all. Okay, so now what is your duty? You should read whole lesson. After reading the lesson, find some difficult words, write those difficult words. After writing the difficult words, you will be writing um, the answer the following in one line, one sentence. Answer the following questions in brief. Answer the following in questions in detail. And after writing this, I will take one class where we will discuss this question and answers. If you have any difficulties, I will guide you. Okay? We will be not sending.
Excellent. We have to search and write.
Yes, you have to write it on your own.
Ma'am, search and write.
What?
Ma'am, we have to search and write the question answers.
Yes.
Write own answers.
Yes, you have to write your own answers. You have to search the answers and you have to write. Some extra questions will
Ma'am,
be
in
given.
notebook.
Yes, in the notebook. And
Ma'am, in exam, you have own answer also.
yes, you have to write your own answer.
We should write all. Ma'am, dictation was written at 15 or 10.
Anything like 10 or 15 is okay. And you should write
Yes,
your
ma'am.
own answers, but see that answer should be relevant to the question. Now, why do we
Yes,
study the
ma'am.
past?
Ma'am,
Who
last
studies?
year we have done that.
Yes. Last year you have done, this year also you have to do. From this year you will not get any notes. Okay? You have to do it
Yes,
on
ma'am.
your own self. If you have any difficulties, you'll ask me. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Is
Yes,
it
no,
fine?
ma'am. Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we should solve all that objectives also.
Yeah, in your textbook, objectives you solve, all the objectives you solve in the textbook. Only the question and answers you will be writing in your notebook, isn't it? There are 3
Yes, ma'am.
notebooks.
Ma'am,
Huh?
next class you will tell where to mark that class.
Yeah, I will be telling you that. Filal, what
Okay,
you will do, you have 2 days holiday now, that is Saturday and Sunday, isn't it? So you can complete this first lesson of history. First lesson
Ma'am,
of
why Saturday is holiday?
Saturday,
Ma'am,
Sunday.
we will send that.
No, I will not send you anything. You will be writing it on your own.
Ma'am, no, Atlas.
Atlas, I will tell.
Holiday, Saturday, Sunday.
Saturday, Sunday will be a holiday because it is a weekend lockdown.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can't come to the school. So it will be your holiday, but we will be sending you some activity or something of that sort. But you need to write the question and answers in notification. Yes. History, you'll be writing the first lesson. There are 3 books. I'll repeat, 3 books are there. of 100 pages, one will be for history, one will be for geography, and one will be for your civics.
Ma'am, 100 pages is correct.
Yes, 100 pages. 100
Ma'am, it's
pages.
writing 100 pages.
Yes, 100 pages.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Any difficulties?
Ma'am, with gel pen.
What?
With gel pen, ma'am.
Gel pen, okay, or ball pen, anything will go.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am. So,
Okay.
call pen also with. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, thank you and have a nice day, children. If you have any problem, you can send it into the doubts. There is an app called Doubt, isn't it? So there you, in your app, there are clearing of doubts. You can ask me there. I will clear your doubts. Okay, if you want to ask me any question.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.